Hey, what is up, everybody? It's your boy XX Jailbreak back at again with another video. And today we are going to be playing Minecraft. I'm not going to be able to talk in this video that much because my voice hurts or my throat hurts, whatever you guys like to say. So yeah, basically I'm just shooting this video for you guys, and don't forget to leave the thumbs up, comment down below if you like this video. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to turn on the notifications. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would. Where are you? Mm.
Where are you?
What's that shit, bro? In my next video, I'ma actually do face cam. So, if you want to see that, make sure to watch my videos if you want to. Sorry about that.
Where are you? Are you still collecting wood?
Where are you?
I'm not collecting wood no more.
I'm jumping.
Are you collecting wood?
No, I'm just jumping around.
Remember where we spawned? That's where
Sorry if I'm laggy. Nah, it's just internet don't work that much. Make a new one. I don't know where we spawned, bro. I'm mining stone right now. Well, I'm getting stone now. My voice honestly hurts when I speak, so that's why I told you guys I'm not gonna speak to this video. I'm gonna actually be doing another video today, see if my voice actually doesn't hurt anymore. So yeah.
Nope, look up on you.
I'm gonna need sticks. No, why'd I do that? I need this. Guys, just letting you know, don't fuck around with your life. Just letting you know that right now. Because there's some kids in my class that fuck around with their life too much. They say they're gonna kill themselves, but then at last they don't.
Bruh.
Me either. I can't. Oh, yeah, yeah, bro. Ooh, ooh. You guys see that iron over there? Yeah. You're so dumb.
What?
I couldn't have teleported you to me.
Nah. Don't do that.
Where are you? Oh,
I'm going. That looks so cool.
I got you, bro. Just come down here.
You got like a pickaxe?
I got you. I got you, bro. I got you. I'm telling you this one third time. I got you, bro. I got you. There, pickaxe. Yeah, let me go to inventory. Oh yeah.
Ooh, iron.
Bro, give me that piece, bro. That was mine. Why you do it? You do too much. You do too much. You took my iron. You fag.
Wow. Just for that.
Well, hey, I need coal too, not just iron. Mm, mm, you fag.
What? I can't get some coal.
No, it's mine.
You have any coal?
No, that's why I got coal. Da-da-da. Yeah,
Switch right down or up? Down. Or I think I should go up because then it goes slower.
but I honestly did not understand you.
I don't know even.
Um, you using it?
No.
Okay.
Wait, yeah, leave it. Oh, no, I got it. I'm gonna make some.
No. What's this side? Whoa. Ooh. A mermaid swimming to the sea. I don't know. God, I found a diamond already.
No, you didn't.
That's
It
an
is
egg.
not this high up.
Yeah, it is.
That line.
No, I just said. Never mind.
How do you
No, I did. I just wanted to save it for you.
know?
Alrighty, 9 minutes into this video, and
Red
18.
money. Oh, damn.
Oh, damn. I got you, bro. That's gonna be yours. Oh, you better craft on this one, boy. Bro, I already found
Use a
emerald.
torch.
Emerald.
Oh,
Oh,
crap.
shit.
Don't you need a...
No. Do you guys? Leave a comment down below if you need iron or stone to get the emerald.
Oh my god, I almost fell.
No.
Oh, sorry. I
Bruh,
swear to God, I'm
you
so sorry.
fucking fuckhole. Bruh, now I'm about to die.
Go to the side.
You dumbass. This is why I never like playing with you. But I still told you because you're funny, too.
Yeah, I know. Ow, my nose.
Did I get anything?
I'm hella tired.
Yeah, you need an iron. Shit.
Place it here down in the comments.
Well, that was.
Oh, after.
You know, I'm just gonna build down here. This is gonna be my house, so.
Wow, really? I mean, it does. Yeah, just take away
No, bro, what you mean? We need water to grow plants.
the. It's so funny because it also needs light.
Okay.
Yeah, but then it's gonna take longer though. It's okay.
Oh my god.
What?
Almost fell.
Diamond?
Oh, I said I almost fell. Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, it's gravel.
You barely noticed that? Oh, I just say, oh my gosh.
Oh no! Get off my back! Aren't you gonna block the lava?
I'm just doing this.
Why?
Because I want to. See, there's another emerald. It's okay. It's alright. It's alright.
Yeah, you're
It's
not
all...
gonna destroy it.
I'm not, I swear. So,
I called it, I swear, if you even touch it with the stuff, I mean,
whoa.
stop
Bruh.
touching
Oh my god. See, now you're just trying to push me in the lava.
Okay, fine. I'll make some chests. Oh, no, no.
Bro, this shit's already mine. You better leave that fuck alone. We need more. We need more coal. We need
I'm gonna
more
make my
coal.
home. I'm making my home.
My home is gonna be at the lava.
That's the lava?
Yeah.
No!
But what happened?
Lava.
Good.
Now I can't even go.
Gee.
Ooh.
No, Lysandro, I need your help. I need your help. No, water, water, water. Yes.
You went into it,
Yeah,
didn't you?
yeah, on accident.
And that time it wasn't me. And no one looked into it. I'm gonna destroy this.
Wow, time passes fast.
I have created. Not yet. I will.
Unfortunately, guys, I'm gonna have to save it next time. I'm gonna have to save this video for next time. Don't forget to turn on the notifications. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.